my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick get ready with me using all Fenty Beauty products. So I want to start with a priming setting spray by Fenty Beauty. Just kidding. I'm going to get started with a sunscreen. Do not forget your sunscreen. I like a high SPF for personal reasons, but I make sure I apply it to my face and my neck right before I go out as my base. Then I go in with the Fenty Beauty setting spray. You can use this as a primer as well. Then I go in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in the number 320. And I love this so much. I use the matte formula. It really blends right into my skin. It looks like skin. I usually have an oily T-zone, so I definitely would recommend, if you are more on the oily side, to just have a matte face and not something that's too heavy. Then I go in with the Fenty Beauty concealer, and I love that all you have to do is use the same number from your foundation to find your concealer color. I think it's so easy and so great. So it's in 320 as well, and they already formulate it for you. I'm just applying that under my eyes and on the bridge of my nose, and I'm bringing it upwards to give me just a brighter look, more awake. Don't we all want to look like we got 10 hours of sleep? Then I am gonna go in with the setting powder by Fenty Beauty. It is in the color Honey. I love that you can use this without foundation, I guess, as an illuminizer, or just like, you know, if you're just want to look really natural and just put on some illuminizing powder, this is for you. Then I go in with the Absolute Brow Marker. This is literally $1, and it's my tried and true friend. I love this so much. I got it from the Absolute store on 34th Street, Herald Square. They opened up their location, first and only location in NYC. And I love this marker so much. My eyebrows look crazy. Have not gotten them done in like 4 months, but we're gonna work with them. Then I go in with the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice Pilot, and I'm going to use Come and Get It, Cumin Get It, Cumin Get It. Love it so much. It's just like a nice brown color, orange brown, and I apply that to my lid. I don't use a brush because I like the warmth from my fingers. The warmth really blends it effortlessly. And then I go in with my e.l.f. eyeliner. e.l.f. is literally $1 at the drugstore, and it is my tried and true friend. It is waterproof. It does not come off if you fall asleep in your eyeliner. I've danced in it, I sweat in it, and it really just hangs on to my skin. So it really is my favorite. Then I'm just gonna try and make this a little bit more dramatic. Yeah, make sure they match. Sometimes they don't. They're sisters, not twins. Then I'm going in with the IT Cosmetics mascara, and I'm just gonna apply that to my lashes. My lashes are recovering from lash extensions, so I'm just going to leave them be and let them grow. Then I go in with this Smashbox Trio. It's a blush, highlighter, and bronzer. Bronzer is too light for me, but I do like the blush color. So I just apply that to the apples of my cheeks. And then I go in with my favorite Fenty Beauty gloss. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. You literally can put it on and it lasts for hours. Smells so good. Ugh. I'm gonna go back in with the Smashbox highlighter, and I'm just gonna apply that in the corner of my eyes, making sure that I use it to my advantage. Under the eyebrows, on top of my cheekbones. I'm looking for a brush. Yes, I should probably use a brush for this, LOL. Then I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty setting spray again, and this time to set my makeup. And that is it for my everyday makeup look. Very natural, just a little enhanced Then I'm gonna go in and fix my hair. Wig is by Hair Vivi. I do not glue my wig all the way down. I like to be able to take it off when I come home. I go in with Lovely Bee's Edge Tamer, and I'm just going to make some baby hairs like that. I do use Got to Breathe yellow spray to stick my wig down, but for the most part, as you can see, the sides are not laid because you don't really see the sides, and I'm just going out really quick. So then I go in with my hot comb, which is a must-have, making sure that the roots are flat and that there is no poofiness, and it's just like a lifesaver to have this, especially if you're wearing wigs. And I love this Hair Vivi wig. It literally holds the curls. I basically took it out the box and it has looked like this ever since. So love Hair Vivi, love their wigs, and yeah, that is my hair. So that is the finished look. I am wearing my I Dance at Club Quarantine D Nice merch, my Jordan 1s, and my Gucci bag, and I am ready to go out into the city and hopefully grab some good vegan food. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.